Hi there, it's Mark Sebastian, founder of OptionPit, and this is the Vol Report. Reminder, this is for education purposes only. Shouldn't be considered investment advice. Options have risk. Good to see everybody. As you can see, this is going to be our new homepage eventually when all is said and done, but we're not quite there yet. Speaking of what, and reminder, this is for education purposes. So, what am I looking at? Well, you can see VIX futures and the VIX are getting obliterated. The S&P is up small. It's up about 7. The Russell is up as much as the S&P. The Dow is up big, and the NDX. So it's kind of weird. You got the Dow and the Russell leading. That's an unusual combo, but we are seeing some strength. Apple's off a little bit, not a big, huge deal. Caterpillar's up big. John Deere is up big. These are two names that we watch pretty regularly, and have some interesting stuff on. Deere and Company in particular is one we like. So those industrials really look pretty strong today. And with the Russell leading, that usually ends up being green. You can see the only sectors that are down are XLP and XLU, which you would kind of expect in a market like this. But everything else just seems kind of rosy, and that's interesting. You don't see that. You haven't seen that too much as of late, but that is the way the market is screaming. We're getting like this has like the feel of 2017 in terms of like the inevitability of a rally, if that makes sense. So, I'm looking, and what do I see, like, kind of structurally? Well, VIX, it's almost a 10, and that is going to be a big, that's a big hairy deal there, I think. And then if we keep rallying, you're going to see everything through it. Other individual names we're watching, Snap has earnings tonight. That should be an interesting one, worth playing around with. We're watching Facebook, which had a rip-roaring rally yesterday, and appears to be seeing a little bit of follow-through. I'm watching some of these big banks because the volatility has gotten really cheap. Goldman, Bank of America, and even the mid-caps, KRE vol is getting really inexpensive. So some of these names are starting to look like a real value. So I'm going to be playing around with the large and the mid-caps. And then just looking at tech, I keep thinking the Qs are going to go up. I've been waiting for the Dow to really, really make a run higher. If you look at the diamonds, it's getting a nice move today. But they've been mostly spinning their wheels, which is a little frustrating. But today appears to be a day where we could get kind of some follow-through breakout. I would not be surprised if today ends up looking a lot like yesterday, or maybe even a little stronger. It has the markings of another day where vol could get pretty beaten down. There does not seem to be a lot of penchant for buying. All right, folks. If you have questions, you can email me, mark@optionpit.com, or you can call me 888-TRADE-01. Have a great day.